Let's get right over to Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman tracking some big changes coming our way. Let's see what conditions are looking like for us.
That is for sure. Starting to see the first of the rain and snow showers pushing in to southern Oregon, but the more widespread activity is going to hold off until we head into the morning hours tomorrow. So most of the night is going to stay fairly quiet for most of us. 38 now in Chemult, 47 in Klamath Falls, 45 in Medford, it's 43 in Montague, and 46 in Brookings. So snow levels are still rather high, but they will be falling pretty quickly as we go through the day tomorrow. Winds fairly light, but they're going to pick up along and east of the Cascades as we go through the overnight hours, down to 38 tonight in Medford, 32 in Klamath Falls, 36 in Mount Shasta, and down to 40 in Brookings. A wind advisory will go into place for the east side later on tonight, continuing through the day tomorrow. Gusts up to 55 miles per hour possible. We will see some pretty blustery and windy conditions across southern Oregon and northern California as this storm system rolls in for tomorrow, and that's going to lead also to the concern of blowing snow, especially in our higher elevations, and that's going to only compound the travel concerns out there. These high temperatures will mainly be earlier in the day, and temperatures will actually fall as we go through the course of your Tuesday. May even see a few rumbles of thunder near the coast, maybe a little bit of small hail with some of that thunderstorm activity. Take a look at snow levels. They'll reach down to about the Basin and the Siskiyou Summit by early tomorrow morning, but by mid-morning and more so late morning into midday, by that point, snow will be reaching our lower passes west of the Cascades, the foothills as well. And then by later in the afternoon, we'll start to see that snow reaching down to the valley floors, continuing with those very low snow levels into tomorrow night on into Wednesday. So we have several winter storm warnings in place above 1,500 feet through Jackson, Curry, and Josephine counties, above 2,000 feet in western Siskiyou County, and then below 1,500 feet in southern Oregon, we have a winter weather advisory. This includes Grants Pass and Medford, and then also you can see down in Siskiyou County, we do have a winter weather advisory as well for those lower elevations, central and southern portions of Siskiyou County, where we will see snow and some hazardous travel. So heaviest snow and the blowing snow, the biggest concerns will be along the Cascades and Siskiyous. That's where we're looking at 1 to 2 feet of snow. But lower passes will see several inches of snow, some difficult travel tomorrow into Wednesday, and we do expect snow to accumulate on our valley floors as well, especially late tomorrow into tomorrow night. Here's a look at snowfall amounts. Notice mainly light totals east of the Cascades, up to 3 to 6 inches though for Chemult, but quite a bit of snow along the Cascades, over a foot up at Mount Ashland, 6 to 12 inches for Siskiyou Summit. Medford at this point 1 to 3 inches, but you go up to East Medford, up in those higher elevations onto Roxanne, we will see some higher snowfall totals there. Several inches of snow expected in Ashland as well, and about 2 to 4 inches for Cave Junction, 2 to 5 inches for the city of Mount Shasta. Here's a look at stormcasts as we head into the morning hours. Snow starting to pick up in intensity along the Cascades, and then as we go into the afternoon, still some rain on the valley floors, but lower passes will be seeing snow. And then this is about 6:30. You can see the snow really starting to impact now into the Rogue Valley, the Medford area as well. Snow showers continue tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Going to be a very difficult morning commute, especially along and west of the Cascades in southern Oregon on Wednesday. And then as we go through Wednesday into Thursday, more rounds of snow, and likely that snow even making it down to the Oregon coast. A winter storm watch is in place into Thursday morning for some accumulations possible even on the beaches. Here's a look at your winter weather impacts. We're going to see a few days of some very difficult travel through southern Oregon and northern California due to this colder weather and the snow at low elevations. The coast finally getting a chance to dry things out by Friday with mostly sunny skies. Northern California, rain changing to snow tomorrow. Gusty winds over the next few days. Much colder and below average temperatures. For the Klamath Basin, amounts of snow for the east side, not going to be as much as other areas, but do expect some slippery travel over the next few days at least. Up into the Cascades and Siskiyous, very difficult, even dangerous travel due to the heavy snow and strong winds the next few days. And then in the Rogue Valley, rain changing to snow later tomorrow, and more snow showers likely Wednesday and Thursday before drying out on Friday.